Welcome back. Here's something I got for Christmas. This is not a free product for review, so let's going to see how this goes. It's supposed to be able to hold several drills and tools like that on the wall. A little bit of the unboxing. And we're going to show a few stages, maybe not all the stages, then we'll show the finished product here. Let's put a picture right here of what it looks like. Alright, getting back to opening it up. Very well packed. This is where the drills hang, I guess, when they're like that. A couple basic tools are included. Allen key and a little wrench. Random parts. Some anchors for the wall, but I'm going to put mine up on plywood and studs. So probably won't use those, but may use the screws. Assembly bolts, screws. All right. And then the instructions, the user manual. It actually came with 2 user manuals. These shelves look pretty neat because they're hinged in the middle, so you just open them up and it's at least a little partially assembled one way or another. Like that. Like that. Those are pieces. I assume that's kind of the sides. That's where the drills hang. Those are the shelves. Looks straightforward enough. And that's convenient. Everything's the same size, so there's no screws and bolts to get mixed up. So we're going to start with the sides and then keep going. Just follow the directions. Well, these two are not the same size, but they weren't in the bag, so they're not, you can't mix them up. These two, take these two out and slide this together. Once you get those two together, these hooks are sort of facing upwards, and then you want to take these side brackets, put this one right inside there, one bolt there, and the nuts on the other side. We'll tighten all these up in the end, then you just repeat this on the other side. Okay, well, we got the two sides on. Make sure that these holes to mount it on the wall are in the back, right? That way you've got the side straight. And we're going to tighten this all up in the end. Then you take one of these shelves, and it's hard to tell where these holes might go until you look carefully at the drawings. And you see in this picture, they show that at the top, those holes are in the back. They gave us 2 identical shelves, so we're going to put the holes in the back for each of those. I'll turn this one around towards the back. So then you end up with those steps. Looks something like this. We'll go ahead and finish putting in the other bolt back there, and then we'll start to tighten things up. Now we could backtrack, because to lock these in, you want to put these in while the bolts are going in. So if you want this on this side, you want to go ahead and do that while you're assembling. And same with the other accessories right here. So wherever you want these, go ahead and think about that when you're putting it together. I am going to, while the bolts are loose, I'm going to just simply take those out and thread them back in. Then we'll tighten everything up. And I'm going to put these where I want to put them. So if I think they're going to be better accessible on one side than the other, that's what I'm going to do. Something to note is that when you put these accessories in, you kind of sandwich them in between these two things. But I think it's probably pretty wise to go ahead and loosely put these bolts in to kind of get it shape, and then decide where you want these. So here's my finished assembled. I put my things where I wanted to as far as the accessories go. I put like the key hook things over here on this bottom side. That's why it's like rocked a little bit, but when it's on the wall, it'll be level. These things, like a screwdriver holder, I put over here on this side because I believe that's the side I'll use it most. I think this can hold hammers and different things over here. I put that. Now that's going to make the width of that little piece of metal different if you don't put an accessory on that side. And if that gets on your nerves, then you can put a little washer in there to take up the difference. But that's what the finished assembled product looks like. Seems like it's pretty sturdy. And when I get this mounted up to the wall, I think it'll help me straighten up that clutter that's up there on top of my workbench right now. Here we are, all hung up and everything. I used a level to make sure it was straight across the top. And I've got my tools on there about how I want them for now. I've got all my cords routed and coming down, and truncated my shelf that was in there, and got my workbench back. Overall, looks like a good product, very well built, affordable for its price point, easy to put together. Look for the link down below, and please use my link if you plan to buy that or anything similar. Like, share, and subscribe.